Mr. Speaker, do you own a cell phone? May I see your cell phone, please? Oh, and what model is that? I don't know because I'm not really particular with the model. Is this your very first cell phone?
No. This is my second cell phone.
Why did you change cell phone?
Because the first one was already broken.
Okay. Will you buy a cell phone much later model, more features, even if that cell phone is still working?
No.
So you intend to keep that cell phone forever as long as it works?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. You may now proceed with your argument.
Ladies and gentlemen, my distinguished colleagues in the other side, on the other side, it was exactly 7 to 7 when I applied for a landline phone with CPLDT. And my father died in 1997. That was Secretary Pastor. And that was the only time. That was the only time that the PLDT came to our house and asking me if I'm still interested in pursuing my application for a phone, landline phone. I was surprised because I already forgot about that. In fact, I don't find the need of that anymore because I was already having my my pager and a Motorola phone. Yung may bag pa siya. And the only reason why PLDT came is because they have become obsolete because of the changing times and technology. And the reason why PLDT cannot deliver that good service before is because they have monopolized the industry. My dear friends, competition is good for everyone. If you have a ask your economics professor, ask democratic teachers, and they will tell you monopoly, one-party system is destructive to any society because one group tends to dominate without asserting responsibility for their consumers. Competition redounds to the benefit of everyone because they try to make it better. Now, the contract of Angel Locsin has ended. He did not violate the contract. She finished her contract, and with flying colors. That's why she's so popular now that other networks should be interested in getting her. You graduated and applied for a call center. Would you intend to stay in that call center forever because it was the first one who accepted you? Don't you want to improve your professional career by pursuing other call centers, perhaps? The proposition says it's a show business. It's business. It's for profit. The mere fact that it is business, you tend to profit from it. You don't intend to go to a business when you don't earn. You pursue, it's pure stupidity to pursue a business when you see that there are other opportunities where you can earn more profit. She did not violate any rules of ethics here. Loyalty, she has been loyal. During the duration of the contract, she was very loyal. She did not violate any. She did her part. She performed well, and now the contract has ended, there's a better offer. What's wrong? GMA won't keep you. They would easily dump you if you're no longer marketable, as they did to other artists also. So, the only reason why they are making an issue on Angel Locsin is because she's still marketable. But look at other actors and actresses, when they are no longer popular, the network would dump you, and you will beg to the other network for a new contract with them. So our position is that competition is good, and nobody can argue with that. Even God allows us to compete. Thank you.